Welcome to episode 9 of our Roofing Components playlist, where we do a deep dive into all the major components of your roof system. Today we're going to do a deep dive into roof penetrations. I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company. Thanks for watching the Roofing Channel. Let's get started. What is a roof penetration? When we talk about roof penetrations, we talk about anything that actually comes up through your roof system, whether it's a plumbing pipe, a skylight, a chimney, just any type of pipes or vents or just any type of penetration that is actually coming up through your roof that's going to require some flashing. How are roof penetrations protected? Just about every penetration on your roof has some type of manufactured flashing for it. If it's a gas vent, they're going to make a metal boot for it. If it's a plumbing vent, they're going to make neoprene or silicone type gaskets that go down over that pipe. The skylight, the manufacturer's more than likely going to have a special flashing kit for that skylight. Walls and chimneys, though, are going to have a special made flashing on site because no two are the same. So that's one of the cases where we're going to make the flashing for that on site. I would say over half, even 3/4 of the roof leaks that we go out to look at is because of an improperly flashed penetration, whether they didn't use the right material or the installation method was not done properly. All of the manufactured flashings for penetrations like pipe boots and gas pipes, skylights, those flashings should last for the life of the roof, but I would suggest replacing them when the roof gets replaced. How do roof penetrations affect the cost of a roof? The cost of flashing the roof penetrations is normally a nominal amount compared to the cost of the new roof, less than 10%. So if your roof is a $20,000 roof, $2,000 of that or less is going to be for the roof penetration flashings, unless you're going with something like copper. Copper flashing around a chimney could add more than 10% to the cost of the job, depending on the size of the job. The cost to replace just one pipe boot on a repair is typically going to be a service call, which is $336, and that includes the boot. Now you know what you need to know about roof penetrations. To continue your education, click on the link below or at the end of this video and watch episode 10 in our Roofing Components playlist about gutters. I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company. Thanks again for watching the Roofing Channel. Remember to like and subscribe so other homeowners like you can get the knowledge they need before they make their large purchasing decision.